Hey guys, it's Shannon from That DIY Couple, and this is just a quick little video to discuss why it might be necessary for you to stop exercising in order to lose weight. Alright, so I'm probably going to get a lot of hate for this video, but I understand that it's possible to lose weight while exercising. I've done it in the past. It's definitely a good thing. Exercise is definitely super important for overall human health, lifespan, cardiovascular, mental health. All aspects of your life will be improved with exercise. But I'm gonna argue that exercise is not the best for weight loss. So bear with me. It's really super hard to change your diet, and we have a limited amount of willpower. So for me, at least, just focusing on the input, what I ate, was really helpful to me losing 100 pounds without doing any exercise. It's so much harder to do both at the same time. So I feel like we can either focus on diet or we can focus on exercise, and diet is the one that packs the 1-2 punch for losing weight. It's all about the inputs. So your weight loss period should be brief, it should be short, and it should be over in a couple, max about a year, and then you can start back with the exercise once you've got your eating and your dietary habits on lockdown. But to change your diet requires all of your willpower. So if you are struggling, if you're going to the gym and you're eating low calorie and you're not losing weight, first of all, I'm going to argue that your body is probably under stress because it feels like it's in a period of starvation, so it's hanging on to the fat. And second, so you might not be eating enough, which is counterintuitive. And second, I'm going to argue that you should just focus on diet. Let your body be at rest and get used to the new input of healthy, wonderful food, and get rid of all the bad stuff, and then you will see the weight come off. I promise you. Just give it a chance. It's counterintuitive. Unless you've exercised every day or every other day or whatever for the last 10 years and it's a totally seamless part of your routine, give it a chance to quit going to the gym and focus on diet. It worked for me. It worked for my husband. We both lost 100 pounds. And I'm telling you, diet is the key. Exercise comes later as you build a healthy life after you've gotten rid of all the weight you need to get rid of. So just a quick little video. I can go into more of the science of why this is. There's been lots of studies showing that exercise is not particularly helpful for weight loss. If you want me to link to them or describe them more in detail, comment down below. But this is a quick little testimonial. Try to kill the gym. Try to focus on what's on your plate. And later on, you can go back to the gym and build all the muscles and the dream body that you wanted after you've gotten all this fat off of yours. So that's it, you guys. Have a great day. Until next time, do well and always make things better.